Breaking news: APC in crisis as court sack Buni as Caretaker chairman. Hello, my wonderful people. It has just happened. Court has just sacked Buni. APC was doing the wrong thing with confidence and feeling like nobody. I mean, they're untouchable. You see, Buni is wrong for him to be in any acting capacity as APC chairman or what have you. According to Nigerian constitution, there are guidelines that guides parties on who takes appointment both in party activity and as an executive governor, meaning you have an executive position. And so this is what APC was doing. Initially, it was maybe acceptable for the first 6 months when Adams Oshomole was taken out unceremoniously, and Buni was put as a caretaker chairman for a period of 6 months, within which they will conduct a conference and have new members elected. However, human beings as they are, quickly took advantage of the situation and have decided, not that Buni will not go so that they can have their way. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe if this is your first time. Thank you. The All Progressive Congress APC is headed into another major crisis after a high court in Asaba, Delta State, restrained Governor Malam Buni and other members of the party from acting in parabolating themselves as the National Caretaker Committee of the party. Politics Nigeria learned that the court presided over Justice Onome Umukoro also suspended the APC local government congress scheduled for Saturday, September the 4th, 2021 in Delta State. The suit was filed by Delta APC Deputy Chairman Evans and other top officials of the party in the state over disputes arising from controversial July 10th World Congress, September 10th World Congress in the state. Lead counsel of the APC chieftain Richard prayed the court to grant the following: an order of interim injunction of the Honorable Court, restraining the second to 14th defendant respondent from further acting or parabolating themselves as members of the Caretaker Committee Extraordinary Convention Planning Committee of the first defendant, pending the hearing and determination of the motion on notice already filed and served in the state. Alternatively, an order of interim injunction of the Honorable Court restraining the second to 14th defendant respondent from conducting the local government and state congress slated for September the 4th, 2021, or any other dates, and other congresses of the first defendant in Delta State pending the hearing and determination of the motion on notice already filed and served. An order of interim injunction of the Federal High Court restraining the second to 14th defendant respondent from any acting or parabolating themselves as members of the Extraordinary Convention Planning Committee of the first defendant pending the hearing and determination of the motion on notice already filed and served in the suit. So now so the matter they reach our ESA, say Buni, they don't stand up against and say you can't be doing the wrong thing with confidence and pretending like all is well. We're not going to accept it. So right now, APC members are the ones filing against Buni because there are consequences. You see, if Buni keep parabolating himself as APC chairman, it's going to affect them because it's last going to get into court matters here and there. There's going to be that you did not have the right person conduct this, so it is nullified. And so APC party members are trying to make hay while the sun shine. So this is what is happening right now. Buni, according to, and a court is a court wherever it is. It does not have to be in Abuja for it to be honored. So when Buhari came in, this whole matter started like joke and play. Yes, and guess what? Oshomole, what's his name? Tinubu is saying nothing, absolutely nothing, with the whole crisis ongoing. When this whole matter started, it started from Ondo State, where we have Akeredolu, the governor, and one of those who contested, Oyetayo, saying you won, you did not win, and they went to court as it should be. And so the courts, during delivering his judgment, made a mention that you're lucky because you would have been nullified today because Buni, and that thing stir up a whole lot of reaction. Funny enough, the vice president was not even honored or looked at. It tells you what is really going on in APC. The president was not in the country at the time, and so they were about to have a Congress, and the meeting and the agreement was Congress should not hold. Said because what is happening, if it goes on, Buni may not be recognized, blah, 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 blah. And guess what? The vice president, as a professor of law, looking at both APC constitution and Nigerian constitution, concur and said, yes, the Congress should not hold. However, the Attorney General of the Federation, who may be one of the cabal or who is one of the cabal, those ruling the nation, told Buni that he should go ahead. So who is the vice president? If the president is not around, constitutionally, the vice president step in. Anyway, they damned the vice president. Buni went on with the Congress. Vice president called him and said, why is this thing going? He said, well, the Attorney General of the Federation said it is okay for the Congress to go on. And so they had a Congress undermining the vice president. Buhari came instead of him to sort out the matter. As he is, Buhari does not sort out any matter. He's always like that. Okay, so I mean, if you're thinking Buhari was going to do anything, you're making a big mistake. Buhari came and instead of sorting the matter, continued on the same line as if nothing has happened, pretending like nothing. I mean, so today now you can see for yourself that people are already rising up against APC and what they are doing. APC does not respect the rule of law, so much so that it was Donald Trump all the way from America that stood up to say, no, what is going on is really wrong. Do you mean in the country there's no regard for the rule of law? When Omoyele Sowore case came up, that was how the guy was set free after many court injunctions saying that he should be set free. You can even see it play out in other cases in this country. What about the guys that went to what's his name, Paul Eneche's church? We saw what happened. That after court had said these boys did nothing, they only wore a t-shirt, released them. Court refused. They kept them there as their custom is, no regard for the rule of law. Anyway, the major issue have started. We will be keeping you up to date. Please don't forget to like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. Remember, you have a voice. Let it count. God bless you. Bye for now.